Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon, good evening, such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So recently there are some stories, Greek mythology stories, that makes me think. So I would like to tell the story of Phaethon. Phaethon, Phae, Phaethon. Some people pronounce it Phaethon. Phaethon. Phaethon was a little bit odd, a little bit weird little kid. Actually, he is just an ordinary kid, but he lived a life without father, only with his mother. And the school kids or his friends laughed at him and thought that he's weird, he is odd, because everyone has parents, both mom and dad. Only Phaethon did not have no dad, so they kind of bullied him, and so he was very sad. And he asked his mom, do I have a dad? And mom said, yes, you have a dad, and your dad is the sun god Helio, Heleo. So the truth is actually Helio and a beautiful lady, Clymene, Klymmene, or Clymene. Helio, the sun god, and Clymene, the two of them had a son, a beautiful son. And this son, his name is Phaethon. And the sun god is very busy. Every day we see the sun rise from east and fall down to the west, right? Every day. There is no day we do not see sun rising, sunset, right? Because Helio was driving his 4-horse chariot, goes across the earth from east to west every day. Every day he does his job. Sometimes we do not see the sun. No, still the sun god Helio goes from east to west. It's only that the cloud covered it. He has never, ever, never missed a single day. So because he did this, he did so much job, he had no time to be with his son, with his wife, right? So this is why Phaethon looks like he's always by himself, or always only have mom, and the kids, the schoolmates or other young kids joked about him and laughed at him. So he was he felt bullied, he felt very bad, and he was sad, and he asked mom, who is my dad? Why do all the other kids have a dad and I do not have? And mom said, you are the son of Helio, the sun god. Be proud. And Phaethon go out and said, when other people tried to bully him, he said, my father is the sun god. And everyone laughed at him even further, even more. You Look at the mirror, look at yourself, take a selfie, look at yourself. Do you ever look like a sun god? Sun, the son of sun god. So still, people do not trust him, do not believe. So he went back to Mom. Mom, nobody trusts me, nobody believes me. Can you give me some proof? Mom said, I said, you are the son of the sun god, Helio. That's it. I'm telling the truth. So Mom was very stern and told him this. So he thought, okay, I will not ask anybody for proof. I will do it myself. So he decided to go to the Sun Palace to see it. So he went all the way across the whole universe and came to the Sun Palace, Helio's palace. Oh, such a beautiful, magnificent palace. Every single piece of metalwork is meticulously designed and fabricated by Hephaestus, the god of smiths, the god of craft work. Ah, so beautiful. And he walked there, he walked in, and he saw on the big, huge seat, what do we call it? The crown seat, the big, huge seat. There sit a magnificent looking man in purple shining robe, and eyes and nose and the mouth is just so perfect, so beautiful. So he went to ask, I am Phaethon. I come here to see if you are my father. Helio, the sun god, looked at Phaethon and said, yes, I am. I am busy all these days. I didn't have time to take care of you. I love you. I am so happy you come to see me. Let me offer you something. I will offer you a gift. The gift that whatever you want, I promise I will do. I will fulfill your wish. Do you want food? Do you want a big car? Do you want a big house? Do you want anything? And Phaethon said, I want to ride your chariot. I want to ride your 4-horse chariot. One day, only one day. I want to try this power. The sun god Helio said, this is not your job. This is beyond your ability. You have never tried to ride on the horse. You have never tried to ride on a chariot. And these 4 horses are majestic and they are so difficult to train, to tame. You need to run at a constant speed. You need to run not too far, not too close to the earth. You need to control, and when they want to move around, you need to hold one of the thread, and you need to manipulate, and you have good wish, you have good ability, but this is beyond your ability. I cannot permit you this. Phaethon, the young boy, said, Daddy, you told me, you promised me that you will fulfill my wish. I have no other wish, only this wish. Fulfill me. The sun god Helio thought, well, I already said, I promised I give you something. I fulfill your wish. If I take back my words, that is dishonest. That is not right. I cannot do that. So bon d'accord. So the sun god said, okay, you do it. One time, only one circle, no more. And you always make sure that you go not too far away from the earth. Once you go too far away, the fire chariot, the burning chariot, the sun has fire, right? The burning chariot will be too far from the earth. The earth will be too cold. And if you are too close to the earth will be too dry, too hot. And you always make sure you go with a constant speed. You go not too far, not too close. Finally, Phaethon ride on this horse carriage, the chariot, and he was riding, and at the beginning it was okay, but suddenly there is something, and the 4 horses start to run so far away from the earth, and the fireball was just tumbling, rumbling, and the earth becomes extremely cold. That's the 2 polar, North Pole and South Pole, and become extremely cold because the chariot went too far away. And as he was running, and the chariot run out of control and then almost touch the earth and get so close to the earth. That was the Sahara Desert. That was the big hot desert area, and it burned the earth. And because he could not control, it is beyond his ability, so it goes far to the sky, to the cosmos, and Ulsa Mahol, Mehol, the big bear, the small bear, star constellation, the Orion constellation, the Perseus constellation, the horse constellation, the hunter constellation, the bear constellation, they were all got messed up because Phaethon was his rumbling, tumbling. So all the gods start to tell Zeus, you have to stop it. You have to stop it. We cannot get on with it. People will die, and we will all. The whole world will be destroyed. So Zeus thought about it. That's Helios' son. I do not want to do it, but he's really totally out of control. It is beyond his ability. And if someone that is not suitable but doing something beyond his control, and there is no control, there is no rule, there is nothing to control it. The whole world will be destroyed. So Zeus uses thunderbolt. Pew! Shoot at Phaethon. Phaethon fell down. And that ends this disaster. Phaethon, his body, fell into a big river, and his sister cried so much, and his sister cried the tears of amber color, and those tears became a black poplar tree. This is the story of Phaethon. By hazard, accidentally, my name is Yang, is poplar in English. I do not know it's black poplar or white poplar or brown poplar, but my name is a poplar. Yeah, so such is the story of Phaethon. No matter how talented you are, no matter how weird you are, no matter how you wish to do something, once there is no rule, once there is no control, things can go very, very bad. Let's take this as a cautionary tale, like a cautionary remind. We need to watch things. We need to watch people. We need to have a balance to control before things goes completely wrong. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Gu gu bye ya bye.